So here I will delete all the router whatever I taken. We can take some router here, and no one will ask you do this and do that, but just to understand the concept I am doing, just you need to remember, in interview you will get the question, OSPF is using metric, what metric he is using. You need to say he is using the COS. OSPF is using the COS as a metric, and how we are going to get COS, all that stuff you need to tell them. Okay, what you will say, you can say that one bandwidth of the interface. So let me take 3 router. I will take 1, 2, and I will take one more here, 3. You can give any name here. You can give here R1 and R2 and R3, and you can connect here, this one here and this one here, or we can take here PC, or you can take anything here. You can take here PC, you can take here PC. Here I cannot connect the device, so I will go here and I can go to the physical. I will switch off this device. I will go here and I will put the interface. Which interface? Click here, you see the picture. This is the Ethernet. I need fast Ethernet. If you see, you can read here, to fast Ethernet. Okay, to fast Ethernet, or where it is here, Ethernet or fast Ethernet. This is Ethernet. I need fast Ethernet. So I will drag and drop here. Okay, and I will power on the router. So this way we will add the interface. Okay, this way we will add the interface here. Now I will go here. I will connect the cable. So it is working, and here I will connect the cable. Here I will organize. Let me move this. You can design whatever you need. I am using this way, and I will put here, but here if you see, I forget to put the Ethernet. We should have the Ethernet so we can differentiate. So let me put the Ethernet here. How I can put? Go here, switch off the router. If you want, zoom in, and you can see somewhere you have the Ethernet. You can see here the Ethernet. Okay, so which one I click? This one. I can click, drag and drop, power on the router, and go here and click here and go here. Remove this cable and check here. You have Ethernet. Okay, E0/1. So I will connect like this. Okay, so this way we design the topology. Okay, let me resume, or 1 second. So we will have the COS. Depending upon that one, we are going to get the COS depending upon the bandwidth of the interface. So now we will do the lab. So we will have the idea. Same thing as we do before. We will do 192.168.12.2, 12.0 here /24. In between we will use 192.168. This is R2, R3 means we can put 23.0/24. And here I can give 192.168.1.1/24, and here I can write here 192.168.2.1/24. just I am giving this one. You can use any IP schema, whatever you want to use. So here I will give 3.1/24. okay, so now this is the IP plan we are going to give. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Let's do the configuration. After that we are going to check the COS. As per the theory, whatever we discussed, what we told, when I am going from this side to this side like this, we will have the COS as 3. How 3 means? Leaving interface we will see. We will not see going inside. So this is a fast Ethernet 1, this is a fast Ethernet 1, this is a fast Ethernet 1. So you have total 3. Okay, this is a 3 total. And if you are coming from this side to this side, what you will have? You will see the leaving. So this is 1 plus this is leaving, 1 plus this is leaving. This is Ethernet is having 10. So total will be 12 for that one. So just we are doing this lab to figure out whatever theory we are discussing, that is correct or not. Okay, whatever theory we are discussing that is correct or not. We are going to verify with this lab. So here we will do the configuration as we do before, and then we are going to cross check. So if you want to connect the PC here, you can connect one PC here. We can say this is a PC 1 or any PC, and I can do the same thing for the other also here. Even if you don't want to send the traffic, no issue. Just to verify, I will say like this 3 PC I connected here. Okay, here like this. And we can say if the PC from this PC 192.168.1.2 want to go to 3.2, then the total cost of the OSPF is 12, because in this way we have one Ethernet link like this. Okay, and when it is connected to R3 PC, we are getting the interface count, leaving interface we will count. So now let's do the configuration. I think we will take the notepad. So this is not the notepad, the one which we have. We can use this same notepad. Okay, so here I will put here somewhere here what I will give here, like OSPF Metric lab. Okay, Metric calculation lab. Here we have the 3 routers, so you can do the same thing as you do before. Okay, here I will say, so we write enable config t host name R1 interface fast Ethernet 0x1 IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. Okay, then interface fast Ethernet 0x0. I will write here IP address 168.12.1. Okay, just I am assigning the IP address whatever we have here. I hope it is clear. Just we assign the IP address. Now if you want to enable the OSPF router OSPF 1, you can use network ID or interface. I will use the interface method. So interface I have this. Okay, so I will go under that interface. I will write IP OSPF 1 area 0. So now you have another interface like this. I will put here 0x1 here. So these 2 interface we enable the OSPF. That's all. I am using the process ID 1 here and here, everywhere I will use 1. If I use here 2, I need to write in this place 2. So this is the basic OSPF enabling in the R1. So let me go to R1 and do that one. So I will go here, I will paste here this configuration. If you see everything is good, no error, nothing here, all are good. If you want to save the configuration, write WR to save the configuration. Now you need to write the configuration for the R2. Divide the notepad and paste here. Okay, so I will paste the configuration here. So R2 means this is R2. Okay, name here R2, and you have interface fast Ethernet 0x0 will be 12.2. So I will change this as a 12.2 F0x1. Excuse me. Here is F0x1. So here we will give 23.2, 23.1 I will give. Okay, this interface. So we have this one in between 23.1 F0x1. Okay, and we configure this. We need to configure this. So I will copy this. Okay, and I'm going to paste here, and here is 1.0. Okay, 1.0 here we can say F1/0, and here I can put 2.1. Okay, like this. I hope it is clear. Just we are assigning the IP address 12 dot something, 23 dot something, 2 dot something. Now we need to enable the OSPF. So same thing, I will just copy paste. I think you already know this, right? This one, how we enable the OSPF by using interface method. So 0x0 is already enabled, 0x1 is already enabled. We need to enable 1/0. So I will put this 1/0 here. So now this is good. I can copy and paste in the R2. So let me go here and paste this inside this one. I will write here no, and I am going to paste here. If you see everything is good, no error, nothing here. Now I can go to the notepad and prepare the router 3 configuration. So divide the notepad here. I will copy the router 1 configuration from here to here, and I will paste here, and we are going to modify as per our requirement. This is 3, this is 3. F0 by 0 is the IP what we will have, 23.2. okay, and this one you don't have fast, you have the Ethernet, so you can write like this, ETH 1/0. okay, ETH 1/0, this one I am saying, and you can assign here whatever IP you want to assign, you can assign. This is 3.1, this is 3.1, and this one is 23.2. this is 2.1, this one, and here is 1.1. sorry, here in the R1 this one is 1.1. okay, so everything is good. And enabling the OSPF, if you see under this interface is good. Now I need to enable under this interface, we don't have this one, so I will put like this. It is easy, right? Just we are putting the everything in the notepad, copy paste modify as per your requirement. So now I can copy this from here to here, I can put in the R3 and paste that one. Paste here, everything is good, no error, nothing. Now we need to check. What we need to check, if I want to go from here to here, how much the total cost, I need to check that one. How I can check? First of all, you can go check the routes are coming or not. So you can go here in the R1, I will write here show IP route. If I write here, you can see I am getting the route from the OSPF. Which route I am getting here? Which one? This one, 2.network, and the cost is 2 here. okay, so if you see here, if I want to go from here to here, here to here, okay, because 2.0 means this one, 192.168.2.0, you will have the network ID here. So if you see, if you want to go 192.168.2.0, then what is the cost? This is a metric, cost is 2. So if you see, as I told, you need to check the leaving interface. This is the cost here and here. So here is 1, here is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will have the cost 2 here. Okay, and if you want to check here for this network 3.1, 3.0, you can check where is 3.0 here. 3.0 not came here, or let me check again. Now you have 3.0 or no? Here you have. How much the cost? 12. Why 12? Because we are checking here. Okay, I am standing here, so I am going like this. So leaving, we will check this one, this one, this one. So this is 1, 1, 10. How I say 1? Fast Ethernet is having 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 10. What is that one? 12. So that's why you get the here cost as a 12. Okay, that is nothing but metric. And what else we can do here? We can say here we are getting the cost as a 12 because we are having the Ethernet. Okay, and also if you want to check here, you can go to this router R3 and write here some command. You can write here, let me show you, show IP OSPF interface. Which interface? F0 by 0. If you see, I am saying this interface. What is the cost for this interface? 1. Why 1? Because this is a fast Ethernet. If you see this one, if you write this one, then you will see cost is a 10. Okay, let's see. I will put the same command here, but instead of this one I will write Ethernet. What is the number? Ethernet 1/0. So I will write here 1/0 and I will press enter. If you see what I am getting here, 10 cost. So we prove whatever theory we are discussing, that is correct here. Okay, whatever theory we are discussing, that is correct here. So we say that if you want to look metric of OSPF, you should check the cost, because OSPF is using metric as a cost. How we know the cost? Whenever traffic flow, you can say the leaving interface is having the cost value. If you want to go total from here to here, if you want to go from here to here like this, then you will consider the leaving interface. So this is entering, this is leaving, and after that we can say this is leaving, no, this is entering. So this is leaving, this is leaving. So you will take this one 1, 1, 10. If you are coming opposite, it will be different. You will go like this. Okay, I hope you understand that one. So entering you will not take, leaving you will take this, entering you will not take, leaving you will take, entering you will not take, leaving. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so total you have 3 here. Okay, total you have the 3. So now you understand the concept and we verify that one. Let me show you in the note same thing what